Amazon algorithm model. Common myths about the Amazon algorithm. There are many myths about how the Amazon algorithm works. These myths often arise when advertisers develop strategies based on specific situations, scenarios, and variable combinations. When such strategies work for one account, it's often assumed the algorithm works the same way for all. But that's not the case. There is no standard measurement or formula that defines exactly how the Amazon algorithm works. How the algorithm reacts to each business. Every business is different in nature and operates under unique conditions. The algorithm responds differently to each business based on its situation, scenario, and current position, and assigns visibility and value accordingly. It's all about your actions. It's all about the actions you take. Amazon verifies your actions through its policies, terms, and conditions, and then applies them in your campaigns. If your actions are measured, calculated, and aligned with your business's situation and position, you'll get effective results. If your actions are random, unmeasured, or not based on your business's actual scenario, the outcomes will be unpredictable, and your next steps may lack direction. You may start to lose control of your business. Today's results come from yesterday's actions. Every action in Amazon PPC is the result of your previous one. Your business growth depends on the advertiser's knowledge, experience, understanding, and predictive ability, especially regarding business marketing and the Amazon algorithm. eComsynergy measured actions. eComsynergy offers calculated and measurable actions tailored to your business's situation, scenario, and position to help you save time, reduce costs, and drive growth. In the next video, see how eComsynergy uses the Amazon algorithm for growth.